Hello, this is a quick video on how to change the language screen on a UNI-T UTG1000X Function Generator. Your choice of languages with this unit are English, Chinese, and German. Should you wish to change your language to one that is on screen, simply come here to Utility, then you come here to Settings, Language, and then you have a choice of English, Chinese, or German. We're going to go ahead and select English, and then if you go back to Utility, you'll see that you're now back in English for all your settings. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at uni-trendus.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.